I've been tie-dyeing since the 1990s, so I've been doing it for a long time, and I really do enjoy these kits. They're fiber reactive, which means you're going to get the really permanent, really bright colors. They're in tubes with the dye already in there. You can kind of see it shaking around in there. So you're just going to add some water. It's going to give you some things to tie and the instructions, and that's really what there is to it. You need good materials like the fiber reactive dyes, and then you want to be able to have some strategy or some techniques, and that's what they'll show you. You can watch the videos, and you can tie the shirts into these different patterns and then apply the dye. And there's so many creative ways to play with that. The way you tie it and the way you dye it is what ends up with all the different variations. And this set lets you do 9 different projects. So you're going to fill these things up, and depending on how much you dye on each shirt, you'll be able to do a whole bunch of projects. Hope this helps.